Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, the journey to this moment had been simple. There were next for option glossy magazine whisper for all meaning voice and 100 that were beautiful, not hers. And then there was this one hanging quickly as though it was waiting for her to notice it, but not. And then was this one hanging quickly dress can do not you now wait because the right one never screams it's now it's will be chosen. So a bride is not just a woman in white, she is thousand stories stitches together, family and solitude, childhood dreams and grown up fear. She carries generation with her, the hope of her mother, the advice of grandmother, pair of ancestors she never meets, and show how all of that find its way to the fore of heritage, the weight of history, the lightness, fog, delicate joy of what lies. You are quite magic to the bridal fitting rooms. It's a scared space, really not because the mirror of the lighting, but because of the that lives there in that rooms. A woman allow herself to imagine, to believe, to women allow cry to her. She looked at leave her in that room. She looked at her reflection not with distance but with she titles her heads and wonder if this what love looked like, not from another person but from herself. Sometime when she finds the dress, she realized she did not just choose it. It clothes her to the dress does not fit her baby. It fits her story. The neckline that reminds her for mothers, wedding portrait, the last red feels like summer evening or grandmother. The train that trails behind her like all the moments that led her there. Every heartbreaks, every first dance, every night she thought love would never find hers, and raw love is everywhere in them, in the way she stands, trailers, in the quiet yes breathness to herself become anyone else. Some say the wedding is about the ceremony, the flower, but of many brides, the moment that live beyond that raw the of the music's the moment come when he steps into the dress, the right dress, the only dress, and suddenly it's not just about being a bride, it's about being here. The fabric moves differently when she walks. It's not just elegance, it's confidence. Seeing herself soft armor like a friend that been waiting just for this day. People will compliment her, call beautiful talking, but the truth is she always with a simple helped her believe it. And long after the raw set, after the battle, after the photograph or formats, the memory, the scent of her perfumes went into the not just. Would you like to continue futures perhaps into scenes like the wedding days, memories, your letters on interview, on the price of the dress. She said yes, not just someone else but to herself. Her self care